Good morning students, welcome back to the online class. This is your science class as you know it. Okay, in today we will be doing chapter number 13, the solar system. As you already know that we have already completed the explanation of the chapter and we are solving the exercise of this chapter. So today we will be doing the question answer once again. In the previous class or in the previous video that has been already uploaded in the YouTube channel, you might have seen that we have completed very short answer question. So today I will be doing the short answer question from the exercise of this chapter. So this is the exercise. Okay, page number, you can follow page number 87. Okay, page number 87 in your science book. So before starting short answer question, I will just have a recap what we have done from very short answer question. Those who have not seen the video, you must watch the video. You search for my class in the YouTube channel and you will see the video, offline video, because the question answer is there, very short answer questions. Okay, question number 1, name the planet where life exists. Just a oral discussion I will have. Name the planet where life exists. So the planet where life exists is Earth. Number 2, which planet is called the evening and the morning star? So the planet which is called the evening and the morning star is Venus. Next, question number 3, which is the largest planet in our solar system? The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Then number 4, which planet is closest to the sun? The planet which is closest to the sun is Mercury. Then number 5, name the 6th planet of the solar system. The 6th planet of the solar system is Saturn. Number 6, name the red planet of the solar system. The red planet of the solar system is Mars. Okay, so today I will be starting the short answer question now. This is F, short answer question. Okay, same page, page number 87, you can follow. First question, what is solar system? What is solar system? Answer, the sun, the 8 planets, the 8 planets and their satellites and their satellites and other heavenly bodies like comets and asteroids form the solar system. You can underline solar system. Okay, so the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites and other heavenly bodies like comets and asteroids form the solar system. Okay, next question, question number 2, why does the sun appear to rise in the east and set in the west? why does the sun appear to rise in the east and set in the west? Okay. Answer: the sun appears to rise in the east, to rise in the east and set in the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west because the earth rotates from west to east the earth rotates from west to east on its axis. Okay. Now question number 3 we will do. 3 has two parts, A and B. We will do only A because B is a value corner, value based question. We will have a discussion. See, number 3, the sun gives its heat and light to all without any discrimination. The sun gives its heat and light to all without any discrimination. So what is the sun made up of? So I will write the question. What is the sun made up of? Made up of. Okay. See here, the sun is a hot ball of glowing gases at the center. The sun is a hot ball of glowing gases at the center of our solar system. Solar system. It is made up of hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. Okay, it is made up of hydrogen and helium. Okay, number B, we will have a discussion here. See, number B is what value do you learn from the sun? See, the sentence it is given, the sun gives us heat and light to all without any discrimination. That means without any difference, without any differentiation from the others. See, the sun, this is a natural source of light to us, no, natural. Okay, natural living thing, natural non-living thing, actually natural non-living thing, natural non-living thing. Okay, it gives us light without any means, without any differentiation. It gives us so much light during the daytime. What we are able to see everything because of the sunlight. We are getting the heat of the light, heat of the sunlight, because we are able to live because of this heat and light. We are surviving on this earth because of the sunlight, because the sun gives us heat and light, and it protects us from all the cold, all the germs and diseases of us for cold from. They are protecting us from all the germs and the diseases, and also it gives us heat that is protecting us from the very cold winter months, no. So it is giving its own heat and light to everybody. It is a natural non-living source of light. Okay, then next question we will do, question number 4. Why does life exist only on the earth? Why does life exist only on the earth? Question number 4. Okay, why does life exist? Why does life exist only on the earth? Why does life exist only on the earth? Okay, this is question number 4 I am talking. Question number 4 is, why does life exist only on the earth? You will write it down. The earth is the only planet, is the only planet, the earth is the only planet where life exists. Life is possible life is possible only on the earth. Life is possible only on the earth because of presence, because of presence of atmosphere, comma, because of presence of atmosphere, comma, oxygen, oxygen and water. Okay, so the earth is the only planet where life exists. Life is possible only on the earth because of presence of atmosphere, oxygen and water. Okay, so that's all students for today's class. We have done up to the question number 4 from short answer question from the exercise of chapter number 13, the solar system. Next day we will be starting from question number 5 of short answer question. This is page number 87. Okay, before ending I will just have a recap what we have done today. See there, today we have done the short answer question from the exercise of chapter number 13, the solar system. This is page number 87 in your science book. First question is, what is solar system? The sun, the 8 planets and their satellites and other heavenly bodies like comets and asteroids form the solar system. Question number 2, why does the sun appear to rise in the east and set in the west? The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west because the earth rotates from west to east on its axis. This is full stop. Now number 3a we have done. B is a valley corner question. We have not done that one. I have discussion there. Number 3a is, what is the sun made up of? Answer, the sun is a hot ball of glowing gases at the center of our solar system. It is made up of hydrogen and helium. Okay, question number 4 we have done, last question. Why does life exist only on the earth? Answer, the earth is the only planet where life exists. This is full stop there. Life is possible only on the earth because of presence of atmosphere, oxygen and water. Okay, so hope you will be able to write down the question answer in your science notebook. This is a very important chapter, and you also must see the offline videos also. This is very important, which are question answer also be there in the videos. So till then, have a good day. Thank you everyone.